Welcome to Ev's Shed. When you watch TV, are you trying to find a place where you put your bowl of chips and your drink? Well, I'll show you how to make a little table that you can put your drink and your chips right there while you're watching TV. I've got some 18mm pine board. I'll cut it up to size, screw it together, and we'll make that mini drinks and food coffee table. Measure our first length of timber. This is at 500mm. Got my straight edge here. Use that to run a pencil mark across. I'll measure up the others and then we'll cut it. I use this nice bit of aluminium straight edge to allow me to get a nice straight cut. It's specifically for a circular saw, and it guides along there and it will cut right along the edge there. We'll give it a light sand just to clean up the edges. I'm going to use some pocket hole screws to join the timbers together, and I've already marked out my spacing for where I'll drill my holes. Clamp it in. Let's put a bit of glue on the edge and then we'll screw it together. go, that's a nice clean finish. I've glued and screwed the table together. Let's go see how it fits. I'll finish the coffee table. As you can see, I can fit my chips, my drink, while I watch my TV. Thanks for watching Ev's Shed. Catch you later. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button and also subscribe to Ev's Shed.